variance and standard deviation for grouped data. Step deviation method. Step 1. In first column, write all the observations. In second column, write the corresponding frequencies. Find their sum, that is, summation f is equal to n, and write it in the last row of second column. Step 2. Calculate the deviations d is equal to x minus a, where a is assumed mean, and write it in the third column. Step 3. Calculate the deviations d dash is equal to x minus a whole upon c, where c is common factor of all deviations, and write it in the fourth column. Step 4. Multiply the corresponding entries of second and fourth column and place them in the fifth column. Find the sum of all the entries in the fifth column and write it in the last row of fifth column. Step 5. In sixth column, write the squares of the deviations calculated in step 3. Step 6. Multiply the corresponding entries of second and sixth column and place them in the seventh column. Find the sum of all the entries in the seventh column and write it in the last row of seventh column. Now, substitute these values in the formulas. Variance is equal to summation f d dash square upon n minus summation f d dash upon n whole square into c square. Standard deviation is equal to sigma is equal to root variance is equal to root summation f d dash square upon n minus summation f d dash upon n whole square into c. Question. The marks scored by 60 students in a science test are given below. Calculate the variance and standard deviation by step deviation method. Solution. Let assumed mean be a equal to 30. We construct the table as follows. By step deviation method, variance is equal to sigma square is equal to summation f d dash square upon n minus summation f d dash upon n whole square into c square is equal to 109 upon 60 minus 5 upon 60 whole square into 10 square is equal to 1.8166 minus 0.0069 into 100 is equal to 180.97. Standard deviation is equal to sigma is equal to root variance is equal to root summation f d dash square upon n minus summation f d dash upon n whole square into c is equal to root 180.97 is equal to 13.45. Note: standard deviation and variance for grouped data with class intervals. In this case also, standard deviation and variance is computed by applying any of the formulas given for discrete frequency distribution. The values x1, x2, and so on till xn are taken as the midpoints or class marks of the various class intervals.